Good evening, friends. Here is your today's top medical news update for April 2nd, 2026. The weight loss pill revolution. The big reveal: the FDA-approved Foundayo, orforglipron, the first small-molecule oral GLP-1 pill for obesity. Why it matters: unlike current injections, like Wegovy or Zepbound, this is a once-daily pill that can be taken any time of day without food or water restrictions. The stats: clinical trials showed an average weight loss of 27 pounds on the highest dose. Access: it's launching immediately via Lilly Direct, with self-pay options starting at $149 per month. Breakthrough in cancer and dermatology. Brain tumor hope: new data from the Mass General Cancer Center shows an experimental CAR T-cell therapy, CRV-3TME, reduced deadly glioblastoma tumors within just days of treatment. Psoriasis game changer: a new oral pill called zasocitinib reached its late-stage trial goals, with 70% of patients achieving clear or almost clear skin in 16 weeks. This offers injection-level results in a simple pill. Global Health, World Health Day 2026. Theme: The WHO is launching the Together for Health. Stand with Science campaign for World Health Day 2026, officially April 7th. Predictive medicine: experts are pushing for a shift from sick care to predictive healthcare, using DNA and wearables to catch diseases years before symptoms appear. Tech and mental health. The Digital Detox Study, a groundbreaking trial found that restricting mobile internet for just 2 weeks restored attention spans to levels typically seen in people 10 years younger. AI diagnostics: in China, an Alibaba-developed AI tool successfully flagged pancreatic cancer in a patient before they even had symptoms. Eye care: a new AI-powered portable eye scanner is now making vision screening significantly more accessible in remote areas. Regulatory and industry shocks. Peptide update: the FDA is expected to lift restrictions on certain injectable peptides, allowing compounding pharmacies to resume production. Medicine price hikes: in India, prices for critical medications, including meropenem, ICU antibiotic, diabetes drugs, and coronary stents, have officially been revised upward as of yesterday. The future is now. Gene therapy: keep an eye on Kresladi, a newly approved gene therapy for pediatric leukocyte adhesion deficiency (LADI). Heart health: Phase 3 results for pelacarsen, the first drug to target genetically high Lp(a), a major risk for heart attacks, are expected later this year. Quick round. Severe nutritional deficiencies can mimic rheumatic disease and result in delayed diagnosis and unnecessary workups, as illustrated in a series of 4 cases presented at the American College of Rheumatology's Pediatric Rheumatology Symposium, PRSIM, 2026. Medscape. Asterisk green, oolong, black, tea. What's the difference? Asterisk. Tea makers dry and crush the leaves to bring out their oils, then they might expose them to air for a while, depending on the kind of tea they want to make. This is called fermentation. It's a chemical reaction that affects the flavor of the leaves and turns them brown. The longer they're exposed, the more caffeine they have. Green tea uses leaves that haven't been fermented at all, which is why it has almost no caffeine. Oolong uses leaves that have been fermented for a time, while black tea leaves are fermented the longest. WebMD. Dirty mouth. You might think twice before kissing. In one mouth alone, the number of bacteria can easily exceed the number of people on Earth. Brushing and flossing scare off bacteria for a bit, and some drown in the 2 liters of spit you make each day. That's enough to fill a big soda bottle. But your mouth could never be considered clean. WebMD. That's your medical news update for today. Remember to consult a healthcare professional for any medical concerns. Stay informed and stay healthy. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more daily health insights. Disclaimer: use the content provided only after verification. No responsibility will accrue to the creator of the video or to the YouTube, as it is a compiled content.